on the way to the meet. Ever 5.0.
3.5. Y'all better appreciate the 7.9 for what it is. And the Camry too. I asked if I could drive my, or I can drag race my car behind this factory.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
That's what I'm
That's
saying.
meaty.
Black housing headlights.
Oh, that car is super nice. That car needs more respect.
It doesn't even look like anyone's. Oh, never mind. There's people behind.
Have you seen a convertible Crossfire?
No. Does it look good?
Yes. It looks way better because it doesn't have that dog shitting ass. Hopefully I don't have to take a shit.
No, I think you'd be fine.
Dude, get somewhere where we can leave just in case.
I'm gonna park like on the.
Ooh, Lincoln LS.
Wow. Oh god, this is embarrassing.
Pulling up.
Gang, gang.
Ooh, a mini. You hear that? Ooh, that's a nice DSM.
Well, actually, hold on.
Is that a... No, that's not a Type R. How rare is a red Type R?
Kind of rare.
It'd be a fight. Yeah, it's gonna be a fight. I don't even know what they're fighting over.
Wait, those two bike dudes? Oh no, I don't think they're fighting. I think it's more like a bike club perspective.
Dodge. Gang gang. I want to see some of this.
Adam, nobody likes SRT4s but you.
That's Supra. That's a Supra.
Yeah, that's a Supra.
That sounded nice.
It does sound nice.
Yeah. Dude, Forza? Or no, not Forza. PGR4 got that sound dead on.
PGR4 was a good game.
You played it?
Yeah. Project Gotham Racing, dude, so good.
Dude,
Posted up on the Honda.
Posted up on his
I'm so
Honda.
happy. Dude, I'm telling you, the Supra sound in that game sounds exactly like it.
They didn't have Supra whenever I played it.
Really?
Yeah.
I wish I played
Unless it was 3. Dude, it's a Colorado.
That was adorable.
That would have been like you in a PT Cruiser.
I love that.
I might whip some shitties if she allows me.
Dude, if you pull it down here and do it like bam right in front, dude, that'd be fucking sick.
Can I whip a
careful.
shitty? Bet.
That's it.
What's that?
That's someone's alarm.
I don't know how it feels like that.
Dayton,
cool.
you're supposed to record with me, bro. I am lit. Don't say that. We'll talk about this off.
No, we're not going to talk about it at all, okay? Because the
All
problem's
right.
solved.
All right,
You're getting
problem
clips
solved.
now. That's all that matters.
All right.
Dylan, this is you.
How are you doing today? Wait. There.
Fucker. That is the brightest fucking light.
Oh, it's a. Oh.
H22 sound.
Huh?
That H22 sound.
H22s look good too. Like just the engine.
Oh yeah, that was an MRS also.
Oh yeah, it was an MRS.
It was. MRS is Japanese.
Yeah, the MRS is Japanese. So,
So you just took an L. You took a fat L.
No, we both took it. It is, the USDM is
MRS.
MRS is Japanese. MR2 is USDM.
No, but I swear I've seen an MRS badged car.
Yeah, me too.
Probably like the Tuscany was the Tiburon.
Yeah, they probably did that. It should not have been called the MR2 that car. It does not live up to
It doesn't add up. It doesn't match.
What?
The MR2, the actual MR2 is so much better than the MRS MR2 thing.
Really?
I just like to call it the MRS because if you say MR2, okay, and let's say the new gen is called the MR2, then you know you're never gonna know what it is. You're gonna have to be like, you're the old gen or new gen or whatever. Just say MRS, okay, is the new one. MR2 is the old one.
Okay,
Period.
we can live at that. But that was obviously an MRS because it was the new gen.
And plus,
Where'd your lady go?
who doesn't want?
Huh?
Where'd your lady go?
My lady's over here. She's in a bad mood. She's in a bad mood.
Tell dude with the LS to get his shit started.
Hey, bro, who got? You don't want him spinning hitting his ass. And you don't want to hit y'all.
Alright, I'll see you later.
Adam, you ride with him?
Is your goal to get hit by a car?
What's that?
5.0. I like the Voodoo 5.2 liters. Hey, Nate,
Sounds badass.
Nate, do a pull. 6.7 or a 5.7. 6.2 or a 5.7.
That sounds badass. Should I put that in my car? On the PT Cruiser, should I do that?
Damn, you ripped that e-brake any harder?
Dude, you'd be sick
What?
if I made my PT Cruiser an ice cream truck. That would be sick.
Dude, that would be sick, Dayton. I mean, Adam, my God, why didn't you thought of that before?
Dude, I can literally just drive by and give people ice cream. Oh, ice cream from a PT Cruiser before it works out.
Yeah, Adam.
Take out my back seats, put a fridge in there, and
That is an S15 conversion.
well, I'm not gonna do it. I want to feel like a pedophile.
Wow, it's a fast Civic.
Dude, it's not bad. It's not bad.
What up, Ali?
What's up, man? You act like I haven't seen that.
Business calls. What?
What would you do? Big ass B10.
The PT Cruiser on the other hand, I'd be like, alright, man, you got it.
What?
He was like, if I pulled up in a PT Cruiser, I was like, yep, go ahead, have fun.
Yeah.
I know. But he said, if I pulled up in a Viper, I would have been like,
Hey, that's my
no, I told him I would have rolled in it with him.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
No, you would not.
Okay, I went to the car meet last time. Remember that?
Dude, that lightning. Hey, there's lightning, guy. Well, I left his lightning at the house. Hey, that's that Subaru I rode in. See you later, Drew. See you later, man. Hey, get some tan on them legs. He ate that. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. This meet was kind of bad. There was like so many people there. There was not enough room.
great.
It was like too many people there to like really enjoy it, really. I don't know. It was just dumb. Kayla didn't enjoy it because there was too many just fire ants.
Hose. And ants. Don't get me.
I guess that can stay in the video, but y'all, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. Next weekend we are going to Beach Bend, so be ready for that. We might see Cletus. All right, take it easy. Bye.